So this is the pork loin, guys, and we need to dry with a kitchen towel all the rest water because was pork, guys. Then after this we do the sauce for marination. So we add the oyster sauce, we have the light soya sauce or light sauce, and salt, and the Chinese wine vinegar, guys. So here you go, the sauce for marination, guys, and adds a bit salt if ever you wish. You must don't make sauce salty. And here you go, the dip in the pork chop. Pork loin must be coated very well both sides, guys, and after this leave inside the fridge for 1 to 2 hours ideally. Wow, so good the meat, guys. Look, the for the sauce, guys, so it's a dice cut everything, guys. So we have these carrots, peas, potato, and onion. So inside the pot or in the ingredients, the vegetables, and stir or a bit fry them, guys. After this yeah, put all together and stir fry, then add the sauce and a little water to make it cook, then give a simmer, guys, and leave it in 5 minutes, guys, because carrots is hard to cook, guys. Then here you go, the cream cracker I will use for the breadcrumbs, guys. So you need to crush them first and make it so good crush. Then pour inside the shallow plate, and we need to add 1 tablespoonful of corn flour, guys. Mix it well. So this one is to make more crispy the meat. So this is the plain corn flour, guys. So this is one thing coat for coating the meat, and then beaten eggs. So here we go. So we start and check first the frying pan if the cooking oil is hot, ready to cook. So first thing, coating with the corn flour. After this, the beaten eggs. Must both sides is coated. Then next, lastly, is the cream crackers that we crushed before, guys. Press down, then throw inside the pan fry or pan frying. So just look, wow, so nice, guys. Wow, really looking good. A great food, guys. Then don't make it overcooked, guys, so that make it juicy, tender. The outside is crispy. So leave in a kitchen towel to leave some excess oil. And then this is now the pork chop with the sauce, guys. Look like this, guys, and just check the full recipe on the description box below, guys.